Welcome to Zermatt, Switzerland, a car-free alpine paradise where only electric vehicles are allowed, giving this cozy mountain village a peaceful, clean air vibe you won't find anywhere else. But Zermatt isn't just charming, it's a world-class ski destination. From the sprawling Sonnega area, perfect for families and sun-seekers, to the thrilling slopes of Gornergrat and the glacier runs of Klein Matterhorn, there's terrain for every level. And yes, you can even ski into Italy! Let's dive into this alpine wonderland. The Matterhorn Express is your gateway to the high Alps, starting right in Zermatt and climbing steadily up to Trockener Steg. Covering nearly 9 kilometers and passing through scenic stops like Fury and Schwarzsee, this modern gondola offers panoramic views every second of the ride. The journey to Trockener Steg takes about 25 minutes, bringing you to 2,039 meters above sea level. The perfect launch point for skiing, glacier adventures, or continuing up to the Klein Matterhorn. The Matterhorn Express gondola lifts in Zermatt, Switzerland, have varying lengths. The Matterhorn Express 1, Zermatt to Fury, is 1,638 meters long. The Matterhorn Express 3, Schwarzsee to Furg to Trockener Steg, has a route distance of 2,550 meters. The Matterhorn glacier ride is not just a gondola, it's a feat of engineering at the edge of the sky. Connecting Trockener Steg to the Klein Matterhorn, this state-of-the-art 3S cableway climbs to Europe's highest cable car station at Watt, 3,183 meters, built directly into the sheer rock face of the mountain. Engineers battled extreme weather, high-altitude logistics, and glacier terrain to complete this architectural marvel. In just 9 minutes, you're carried over breathtaking glaciers to a place where the air is thin and the views are limitless. Standing at a breathtaking 3,883 meters, the viewing platform at the Klein Matterhorn is the highest in all of Europe. From here, you can see a sea of snow-covered peaks stretching across Switzerland, Italy, and even France, including the majestic Matterhorn up close. Accessible via the Matterhorn Glacier Ride, this spot offers 360-degree panoramic views and an experience that literally takes your breath away. It's the ultimate high-altitude highlight of any Zermatt adventure. Zermatt isn't just a ski resort, it's a skier's ultimate playground. The terrain here is a symphony of diversity, offering something for every skill level and ski style. Gornergrat offers high-altitude skiing with unbeatable views of the Matterhorn and 29 other 4,000-meter peaks. Accessible by the scenic Gornergrat Railway, this area features wide, sunny slopes perfect for intermediate skiers and families, all set against a jaw-dropping alpine backdrop. Perched high above Zermatt near the Gornergrat, Igloo Dorf is a one-of-a-kind alpine retreat made entirely of snow and ice. Each winter, artists sculpt the igloos into themed wonderlands, complete with snow art, cozy sleeping bags, and warm, fondue dinners under the stars. Whether you're staying overnight or just visiting for a drink at the ice bar, Igloo Dorf offers a magical blend of adventure and serenity, all with unforgettable views of the Matterhorn. As our journey through Zermatt comes to a close, one thing is clear. This isn't just a ski destination. It's a mountain dream brought to life. From the quiet charm of a car-free village to world-class slopes, jaw-dropping views, and once-in-a-lifetime experiences like the glacier ride in Igloo Dorf, Zermatt offers something truly unforgettable. Whether you're chasing powder or peace, this alpine gem has it all. So pack your skis. Zermatt is calling.